Last Friday, I went on Omi TV to practice English, and I met a girl. She was from Nepal, and she also came on Omi TV to practice English. We practiced English together. After all, she told me, "Can we be friends?" Then I asked her, "Why?" Then she told me, "If we be friends, we will be able to practice our English together." Then I told her, "How can we be friends?" Then she told me, "Give me your WhatsApp number." Then I was going to give her my WhatsApp number, but I made a mistake. I couldn't give her my WhatsApp number, so no problem. She has gone, but I can practice English so many people because there are so many people on Omi TV. When I go on Omi TV, I can practice English very easily. Thank you.